Are these 10-inch ports?
Yeah, they 10.
4 10-inch ports on 615s. This is insane. Wow. Never seen something like this before. That's a lot of port. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
All set.
Can I come in?
Niggas ain't tripping at making transactions. A nigga rock you, he practice.
You turn it down for infinite real quick. Sorry. Let's get one chance. Wow, this looks real. Is this the Crescendo? Is it 12K, 15, or 14? 17. Okay, 17K. Very nice. I like the LED style on it too, and it's really clean install, man. And that's a big box. I didn't realize how deep it was.
Yeah, it's about. I actually had to shrink it down. It's about 22 cubes.
Okay.
So it's shrunk down to about 18.
On 615 Zcons?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's about it's tuned to around 36.
Okay.
Like I got two 17Ks. They had one on each. Got two Crescendo 3002s.
Mm-hmm.
One is on the 6.5s. The other one's on the 12s.
Yes, sir.
I got two Crescendo 2000.4s.
Okay.
And one amp is on the A pillars
Mm-hmm.
and the kick panels. The other amp is on the tweeters and horns.
Okay. Very nice. Who built the box?
Jess Berry
Okay.
over there.
Nice. Man, you really fit some space in this thing to make it work.
Yeah.
Wow, you did a really good job.
Yep. I got up front. I got four CES 320s. Got a 100 amp hour proto back right there.
Is there a way I can see the back? How the port looks, or is it open?
Yeah, I can open it. You
Awesome.
wanna see it now?
Yeah, I would love to go look at it. I thank you for the demo, man. I got to get
no
outside, inside, everything. It was insane.
Yeah, no
I don't know how you're not breaking your window on the side. It's crazy. And the back.
It's already split. I noticed the door had a split in it.
Yes, sir.
If you look outside,
Yes,
there's
sir.
a little crack in the door.
Man. Oh, and this is how you open it right here.
Yeah.
Woo, I like that. Hey, what was your name?
Dorien.
Dorien. Thank you, Dorien. Nice to meet you. Great demo. Is there a way I could take this out for a picture?
Yeah.
Are these 10-inch ports?
Yeah, they 10.
4 10-inch ports on 615s. This is insane. Wow. Never seen something like this before. That's a lot of port. I'm gonna go look at the alternators if that's all right. Thank you for showing me.
All right, no problem.
That was awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. Just want to do a quick little commentary. So this is Dorien's amazing system. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. Tried to show everything about the vehicle, the system, the specs, under the hood, everything. Really appreciate you, Dorien, if you're watching. Shout out to you, man. And everybody, be sure to let Dorien know what you think about his system in the comments. Really appreciate it. It's awesome to be able to see these kind of systems, and I'm glad to share it with y'all. So two things real quick. His aeroports here. These are 10-inch airports. So he has a 615-inch setup with this huge cubic space box. I think he said it was around 18 cubes he dialed it down to from the 22 cube net space. He did a really good job, but having this much port area with 10-inch arrow ports, 4 of them, if he decided to do an SPL or low tune it, he could plug one of those ports. He actually optimized his port area by doing that. If he went with a slot port, he may not have been able to do that. So that arrow port system he set up is really nice for that. And also his amp rack staging is amazing. Quality of the video does not show justice of how nice his system looks from the install to the amp rack staging, and he has so much power with 2 of these 17,000 watt amps and the other amplifiers for his doors and mids and highs. So be sure to give Dorien a like, stay tuned for more cardio demo videos, and looking forward to seeing y'all's comments and what you think about his system. So let's get to this crazy loud bass demo.
My pockets blew up Monique. She got that perfect physique. I took a brick to her cheeks. Now that I'm getting this money, I'm fucking me thought that they tryna get down with. This is the we got her stacking the
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.